Hello everyone, my name is Luis and I'm here to talk about the project that me and my group did in university. I'm from University of Brasilia in Brazil, and this is a project of the subject quality management. So basically our project is for bringing up requirements for a system, a quality system that is made for monitoring the waste in containers, in trash containers, and we wanted to get information of those containers to help in the process of waste collection. The group is made by me, Luis, Camila, my manager, Felipe, and Jean Paulo. This is my presentation plan for you guys. First, I'm going to talk about the project goal. So, what we wanted to do with the project, how we identified the opportunity, the solution that we found, and all the tools that we used, the quality management tools, to reach the results. Okay, first, the main goal for project is to get the requirements for a system, for a quality system. We wanted to build a system that is going to provide information that is going to be used on the process of collecting the waste. Basically, we wanted to give information for those that are doing the process of collecting, so they can know some information that they don't have. Nowadays, they don't use any information, they don't use any system, so they just do what they can without any help. So, after a lot of research and a lot of reading and a lot of interviews that we did with people inside the process of collecting the waste, we could gather some information about the process and some problems they are used to have, and we're trying to solve those problems. So, for your understanding, this is the basic process of collecting the trash, collecting the waste, until they get to the recycling point. First, the trash comes out of our house to our trash can, and then to a container. After this, the cooperatives, they take the trash out of the containers and they bring this trash to the recycling points. After reviewing all the problems that they have, all the necessities that they have, we wanted to present a solution for them. A solution that is going to solve all those problems and all those necessities that they need. We thought about putting a sensor inside the container. A sensor that is going to provide us information, that is going to give us information about the location of the container, about the kind of the material inside the container. And with those sensors, we wanted to build a big system, a system that is going to help us and help the cooperatives to monitoring the waste collection. So, to reach this goal, to reach the final product, we needed to use some tools that helped us to get in the final result. Those tools basically helped us to get those necessities and transform them to the final product. There are the requirements for the system. The first tool that we used was the quality function deployment. So with this tool, we could gather information about the requirements of the clients, the importance of those requirements, using with the benchmarking to gather all this information and bring up some requirements for our final product. So after getting the information, the client's requirements, we wanted to classify this information. So we used the Kano diagram. The Kano diagram was used to classify the client's requirements in three categories. First one, unidimensional. Second one, extractive. And third one, obligatory. After this, we needed to quantify the requirements. So for this, we used the merge diagram. we put some classifications on the merge diagram with numbers from 5 to 0, exactly from 5 to 3, 3 to 1, and 1 to 0. We basically compare every client's necessity, every client's requirement to see which one is more important than the other one. So with the merge diagram, we could classify and quantify all the client's requirement. So after quantifying the client's requirement, we used the Pareto diagram to see which one was more important, which one we needed to attack. So as you can see in this page, we have the number 1, 2, 3, and 11 as the most important ones. With these 4 ones, if we solve all these problems, we were solving actually almost 70% of the problem. So the Pareto diagram helped us to see which one was more important, which one was gonna solve the biggest part of our problem. After using all the quality management tools, we could gather all the information and all the client necessities and transform them into client requirements. And after that, transform them into product requirements, as you can see in the picture. So after that, we could found some functional requirements for the system. The first one was maintain a geographic point of waste collection. We needed to know where was the exact point of the container. We needed to have some information about those containers. So that's why we needed a database about the containers. We needed to know and we needed to collect data from the containers, from inside the containers, the volume and the weight of the container. We wanted that this system could provide us some control reports, and we wanted the system to have the possibility to request a collection for which one that is using the system could find a place, a container that is full of trash, full of waste, and we could simply request the collection of that container. And for the cooperatives that are using the system, they needed to find a better route to get into the point, and maybe in some cases they have different points and maybe more than one point that they needed to collect. So we needed the system to have a route generator. For a better comparison, we used a diagram of use case where we can see the 3 actors, cooperative, UNB, and the monetary system, and see how they relate within each other. So after all the tasks and all the work that we've done, we could obtain some results. The requirements for a management information system of high level that provides data for programmed waste collection. Pre-project for the development of a software to be built along with Aalborg University. So we really want this to be made. This is a project that is going to help a lot of people here in Brazil. A project that is really needed in the actual scenario of Brasilia, and it's going to help everybody. And we really want this to work out, and we really put all the effort that we had in this project. Okay, thank you so much for watching. In the name of Camila Marinho, Felipe Villar, Gianpaolo, and me, Luis, we thank you so much for watching.